Hello everyone again. Today I show you how to cook Loklak Cambodian beef. Okay, so we can start. Here are some ingredients I will show you. Sugar, salt, soy fish, pepper, compot pepper, garlic, tomato sauce, chili sauce, cooking sauce, oil, anti-chest for healthy, beef, lime, cucumbers, tomato, onion, herb, and lettuce. So the first we need to cook, how to cook, we call Loklak. So Cambodian Loklak. Cambodian Loklak, as you see the ingredient already. So to make Loklak so nice and delicious, like we need to slice the beef. So this is the way how to cut onion. So we need to cut in the middle, halfway. So we slice, it means we cut slightly, half, for prepare for the food or for the we call Loklak cycle. Okay, we continue our cooking. So we cut the onion already, and we need to prepare or decorate or decor the food is look nice. So we use lettuce. Put the lettuce, the leaf face up, and put around the dish. It looks so pretty. As you see already. Okay, it looks so pretty. So we put the onion slice by slice. Slice by slice in here around too. Yes. Then we cut the tomato. So this is the way how to cut the tomato. So we slice slightly, and slightly like that. Slightly like that. Just be careful with your finger. So as you cut. Okay. So and after take one slice and one slice to prepare on the dish that you prepare already. So it looks so yummy now. So yummy. And then cucumber. This is the way we cut cucumber. We cut slice, and the slice is not straight, but the slice is like slide down. See, halfway like that, and to prepare on the dish. Around, we decorate our food. Looks so beautiful. I teach you how to make the sauce for Loklak Seko, or we call Cambodian Loklak Beef. So the first we put the salt. So can be 1 spoon of the salt. And also we need the sugar, and sugar is only half spoon of sugar, and we put the pepper. This is the pepper, compote pepper. So we need to put pepper like this, not to make the sauce delicious. The last one is the onion. Oh sorry, garlic, not onion. So the garlic we need to peel out the skin, and after you snap it on the chopping stick, chopping wood, and you chop it like in a small piece like this. So we put in here and mix it together. And after finally we use the lime. So the lime, we just only squeeze the lime like this. Squeeze the lime. Squeeze the lime until you stir. So this is the sauce you can use and can eat with the Loklak, Cambodian Loklak. It's so delicious. We get one sauce. Yay! So I show you how to mix the ingredient for making Loklak, Cambodian Loklak beef. So we use the fries, we call fry sauces in here, like 1 spoon like that. So 1 spoon, and this is the name, it's 1 spoon. And also we need tomato. You see the tomato. So tomato 1 spoon, and after use the chili 1 spoon. If you like, you can put 1 spoon. If you don't like spicy, maybe you put just only half spoon. But we are Cambodian, we like this. So we mix together. So mix and mix like this. And after that, you put soy fish. So you see the soy fish in here. A little bit, like that. And then stir together. This is the ingredient that we prepare. So after that, I will show you how to cook with all this food, and so delicious. If you learn and follow what my direction, you will have food so nicely with your family. Okay. I show you how to cook Loklak Seko or Cambodian Loklak with beef. So the first we need to put the pan and turn the stove. Like it's hit the pan, and you put the cooking oil. So cooking oil, you just put like that, not too much, just a little bit. Then you stir and stir, and when it looks so hot like that, we use the garlic. Like the garlic we chop already, so we can use all garlic. And stir the garlic. You see, we stir the garlic. When the garlic is turned to brown, little bit red, brown, the smell of garlic is so nice. So now this, you can put the beef. Why we put that first? Because it have the beef to cook well, and also the smell nice. It can into every piece of sliced beef. So when we eat, the smell in our mouth like so nicely. So like this, it's ready. Like you see, turn to brown. It's ready. So we put the beef. So pour the beef into the pan. So we just stir it out. Stir with it. Yeah. Stir it. And don't forget to put the soy fish a little bit, just a little bit, like this, to make this smell so good too. And we put salt a little bit too, like this. And sugar 1 spoon like that, to make sweeter. And stir around. Okay. Do not keep so long. If you keep long, it will tough. The beef will tough. So when you eat, it's not so delicious. And after we put the sauce that we made. Or like you see, we put the sauce. Now you see the beef turn to red, and smell that come up, so delicious smell. And just wait 1 minute, and as I show you, we keep the onion cut, and then the tomato chopping in a small piece, because we want these mixing with all the beef look so pretty and quality eating too. So it make the food so delicious. And when you cook this, do not keep so long. Just only put like 2 seconds or 2 minutes, then you can taste. So maybe you can taste a little bit. If you feel like not salt or not sweet, you can add more sauce or add more sugar or add more salt. Now let me taste. Delicious. Just add a little bit salt and this one a little bit. Yeah. That's it. So finish. Delicious. So, and after that, over there. Yeah. So after that, you pour this out on the dish that we prepare already. And the same here. So the end for this lesson. Thank you for your following. Please subscribe if you want to learn more food.